In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Adobe Express. If you're creating a flyer, a social post, or a simple landing graphic, adding a link is a quick way to guide your audience to a website, a sign-up page, or any destination you want them to visit. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can apply it right away. First, click the text, button, or element you want to make clickable. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or small handles around it. If you accidentally select the background or another layer, just click directly on the item you intend to link. This step is important because the link option only appears for elements that support linking. Next, look over to the right-hand side of your screen for the panel with editing options. Find the Link control, which is represented by a small chain icon, and click it. If you don't see the chain icon, it usually means the right element isn't selected, so try clicking your text button or graphic again to bring up the correct panel. Now paste your URL into the link field. The easiest way is to copy the full address from your browser and paste it here. Make sure you include the complete URL, starting with https to avoid broken links. Keep an eye out for any extra spaces at the beginning or end of the address, and double-check spelling, slashes, and any query parameters. A clean, correct URL ensures your viewers land exactly where you want them. Finally, press Enter on your keyboard or click Apply. This confirms the link and attaches it to your selected element. From this point forward, that element will act as a clickable hotspot when your design is viewed or shared, sending people straight to the web address you provided. If the link doesn't seem to stick, verify that the element is still selected and that the URL is valid and complete. A couple of quick best practices can make your link more effective. Use clear, action-based wording on the text or button you're linking so viewers know what to expect. Keep your URL stable. If the destination changes, be ready to update the address by repeating the same simple process. Select the element, open the link option in the right panel, paste the new URL, and confirm. And that's it. Click the element, open the link tool, paste your URL, and apply. With this straightforward workflow, you can turn any supported element in Adobe Express into a reliable, clickable link that moves your audience exactly where you need them to go.